everybody. I am Dhanya from second year B.Ed, Dr. MGR Educational Research and Institute. Energy saving is a term the whole world is looking forward nowadays. As a responsible citizen, I feel it's my privilege to be a part of the Home Energy Save video campaign. Think locally, act globally. Means for every beginning, we have to start from our own home. Then our home, then the villages, cities, states, then countries, then the whole world. Here I would like to share some tips that we can do from our own home for saving energy. The first point, adjust your day-to-day behaviors of your life. Means, for example, after finishing the use of every equipment, immediately switch off the equipment. And you have the habit of using heater and AC during the winter season and summer season respectively. So use it wisely. Use it in a balanced way. Avoid using a dishwasher for washing vessels. When you use washing machine for washing clothes, for drying it, you can take the clothes outside after the washing and you can hang it outside. So these are the basic examples. That is the point, changing of your daily habit of life. The second point is replace your light bulbs. The traditional incandescent bulbs consume an excessive amount of energy. So replace it by LEDs or halogen incandescent bulbs or compact fluorescent lights. Finally, replace the maximum utilization of lights by using solar LEDs. The next point, you have to follow a monthly cleaning of refrigerator and regular defrosting of refrigerator and regular cleaning of AC filter. The next point, use heavy equipment in off-peak hours. Next point, avoid leaving the equipment in standby mode. And the last one, when you buy electronic equipment, try to buy star-rated appliances. And I would like to conclude these points by quoting some slogans. Save energy, save assets of future. Save today and serve tomorrow. Spare a watt, save a lot. Switch off to keep India switch on. Thank you.
Good day everyone. I'm Aishwarya. I'm here to talk about energy saving conservation. So what is energy saving conservation? How you can save energy? So actually at this point of time, why we are doing this energy saving conservation? Because of this COVID-19, what happens, most of the people are at home during this lockdown period. What happens, more electronic devices been used and more energy has been conserved. So what happens, what are the major two things being affected from this? Are the earth natural resource, it's been affected, and secondly your electricity bill. How it is earth's natural resource been affected? When the electricity is generated from natural resource, what happens during the process, the harmful waste is being produced, which will pollute the environment. So when we save electricity, lesser waste is being produced, so we can reduce the pollution through that way. Okay. And secondly, electricity costs money, and when you save electricity, you can save your money too. So let's look into the ways that we can save energy. Okay. The first thing is you can maximize the daylight. Instead of using lights in the daytime, you can open your windows and doors, let the sunlight enter inside. Secondly, change your light bulbs from incandescent bulbs to LED bulbs. Third, always unplug your electronic device once it is used, because once you have once the electricity the plug is on, the energy conservation will be continuing. And fourth, washing your clothes. After washing your clothes, try not to use a dryer at this point of time. You can use sunlight instead of using your dryer. And fourth, purchase energy efficient appliances. And last thing is try using normal water for having bath or washing your clothes or whatever. Don't use hot water system, because hot water system, what happens, it consumes 30% of electricity. So what we can do, try follow all these things and let us all save energy and save our natural resource. Thank you.